ENDERMAN01. As you can see, I am hosting. So I was recording, and then I accidentally stopped recording by accident. So yeah, just needs off my brightness because it's a bit dark. There we go. I can see it a lot more clearly. Oh. No. Yeah, get 4. And yeah, go. Yeah, we want anonymous racing on player speed. Kill cooldown. Upper that. Sorry, lower that down right now. We'll go for tough on 5. Kill distance. We'll have that medium. Visual tasks definitely not on. Task bar updates meetings. Yep. Actually, let's just. We'll do on never. No, we'll offer these all the way up. And yeah, I'm happy with that. No one has joined yet. Takes a while for people to join. Anyone gonna join? Nope, I guess. Yes! Hi. Why can't I send a message? Oh, right. I was drawing. I'm gonna get your end video. I love how they really don't care. The name is a bit weird. I don't know if someone's already hosting. Can we? No, I can't speak Chinese, unfortunately. I could ban them all. Right, Mean Star's getting kicked out. Mean. Oh god! Oh my god! I can't spell. Oh my god, typos. Yeah, as long as they're fine. No. Am I at the top? I think I'm at the top, guys. Oh my god. We can start soon. We just need to wait for 5 more people, which shouldn't take so long. As long as there's no disconnections. I mean, of course, they're gonna... Alright, I'm gonna kick red. With 15 people. Oh, we're getting... Wait, this could be it. Oh, what? Why would you leave? I'm gonna report you. You're just making everyone's day longer if you leave. Ugh. I know you have to wait. Just people stop it with the disconnections. It's just not. It's just not. Okay, as long as they understand that. As I stop saying stuff, it's kind of annoying. Oh, one more person. This is a massive success. One more person. So I'm gonna join already. Please don't just... There we go. What? 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 You have got to be kidding me. I am so annoyed. I will reject you again, INNERSLOTH. Take this.